Hi guys, it's your boy Habib Etiquette. As you know, it is the responsibility of a man or a guy to make sure his wife or girlfriend is responsible. Today's video, I'm going to teach my fellow guys out there how to keep track of your cheating girlfriend. Most of them are not loyal to their guys, bro. Most of them are liars. And now the kind of formation they play, is mind busting, bro. I just have some, around here, and bro, in the morning there are new session of guys who visit. In the afternoon, another session of guys, and in the evening. And what I think of what I don't want to use that word. What is happening? Each and every time I see different men, you know, and so what are they going to tell these guys who has been visiting them, and the guys also thought they have respectful and loyal girlfriends, bro? That's not it. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to track her wherever she moves. Keep tracking her steps. This is not a Hollywood movie, neither it is a Nollywood movie or a Bollywood movie. This is real and the reality in Ghana. So without wasting much time, let me share my screen or move ahead and describe what you have to do first. You have to enable some settings before we keep track those girlfriend, and I will help you. But I hope our fellow girls don't watch this video, or else they are going to come after me in the comment section down below. But I'm still your boy, so without wasting my time, let's dive into it. Alright guys, welcome. If this is your first time on the channel, kindly like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. But if you've been here with us, welcome back. Today in this video, I'm going to help my fellow guys out there to keep track of, mark my words, cheating. That's what I said. So you can sit at the comfort of your home and just keep tracking her through your location. It will just be mapping and be showing you where she is, the area, and so with that you can just move ahead. We have to keep track of her, follow her there. And as you know, a real African man, what we do, but not fighting, bro. So I'm just trying to help you to keep track of her. Just track her and know that she's cheating on you. So now the things we have to enable in our settings, each and every mobile phone has its features, and where those features, or where the thing we are going to enable is located. So generally we will enter settings. Okay, so after entering settings, we'll go and hit up on apps and notification. I think that one every phone has it. Okay, apps and notification. So after hitting up on apps and notification, in some phones you move to advanced, as in advanced settings. Then after advanced settings, you hit up on app permission. You see location, and what you have to do here is turn on WhatsApp. So make sure WhatsApp has access to that location. That's to some phones. But when it comes to those who are using Tecno Spark 5 Pro, you can see right behind me, those who are using Tecno Spark 5 Pro, mostly some of these settings there is a bit difference, or there are some differences, though you have to go through your settings. After that, hit on apps and notification. After hitting on apps and notification, go straight to location. And as you can see, I've allowed 2 apps only access to my location, and the rest are right beneath. So those ones you can allow them access only when they are in use. Okay, so you just go hit on WhatsApp and you see deny, and you see allow access when in use. So just hit up on allow access when in use. But all this must be done on your girlfriend's phone. So the day she let you have access to her mobile phone, quickly go to settings, go to these areas that I taught you, go and set it up and set her location for WhatsApp. Then after that, now let's move straight to WhatsApp. When you go to WhatsApp, so now guys, I think it is time for me to share the screen with you. Okay, so here it's getting tougher, and I'm using only one source of shooting for this. So let me share the camera. But the reason why I'm in this today is the Harmattan has started slapping us. So whatever it is, let me know in the comment section. Have you also started experiencing the Harmattan? That's if you're in Africa, or West Africa to be precise. whatever it is. Let me share the screen with you guys. My guys out there, what we have to do here is we have to head up to WhatsApp. Okay, so after enabling those settings, open WhatsApp. If you are using GB WhatsApp, open it. If you are using WhatsApp business, open it, or a normal WhatsApp messenger. So what we will be doing here is we'll hit on the number, but here we are using her phone, okay, not your phone. We are using her phone. So we will open your chat. So let's assume it is my girlfriend and this is my girlfriend's phone. So my name is Habib. Okay, by all means I'll have my name on the list. So this is Habib. I'll hit on Habib. It is my chat on my girlfriend's phone. Then hit on this sign here. It depends on the kind of phone you are using. Each phone and its own. Okay, so this is the ones on the Technospark 5 Pro. Then after hitting on it, you can see location. So what we have to do here is we'll hit on location, or the live location. You have to allow it on her phone first. That's allowing her live location access to your chat. So the network is still, let me on the location. Hit on location. Okay, so now the location is on her phone, and the location is only on to your chat. You are the one doing the settings, so it is only on for you. Then the said participant in this chat will see your location in real time. Yes, that's what we want, and this is not a Hollywood movie. This feature shares your location for the duration you choose, even if you are not using WhatsApp. Can you see? So now share live location, 50 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours. So it depends on the time you set. So can you see it? Now we've sent them and you can see the live location. So what you have to do is long press on it. Okay, long press on it and delete, but delete for me, it is still her phone. Okay, so she will not see that you've done something, and you will see it on your phone. Delete for me. Then you quickly head to your phone. So you will quickly head onto your phone and you will see the location being shared. So guys, you can see 8 hours 0 minutes left, and that's the location. So with this, you head onto your phone and you keep tracking. As she moves, it moves. As she moves, it moves. Can you see? That's how it works. So I think this video makes sense. Please kindly like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon, so whenever we upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. I'm still your boy Habib Educate, and I will see you in the next video. Salam.